And this will be Ms. Daniela Murphy, and she is a consumer educator for the Ohio Attorney General David Yost Consumer Protection Section. That's a lot. And as a consumer educator, she serves the public and connects the public with the services that are available in her division. So thank you very much, Daniela, and I'll let you go ahead with your presentation.
Thank you, and I'm happy to be here today. As she said, I am from the Consumer Protection section of the office. What our section does is we want to ensure a safe marketplace for consumers. So we enforce certain laws related to buying a used car, seeing a store advertisement, or home improvement work. Some of the other services that the Consumer Protection section offers for Ohioans is if you have an issue with a business, you can file a complaint against that business. Our section offers an informal dispute resolution process. This is where a complaint specialist will be assigned to your case, and they will work with you and that business to try to get the resolution that you desire. You can also research businesses by searching complaints on our website. Our website, I will give you that information at the end of this brief presentation, but it is ohioattorneygeneral.gov. It's fairly easy to search those things. On the website, there are some links where you can file a complaint. You can research tips about scams. You can also, we also offer a service on identity theft. If you are a victim of identity theft, we will work with the credit reporting agencies and debt collectors on your behalf to try to resolve that issue for you. Like I said, you can report a scam, or you can also report unwanted calls. There's a tab that says robocalls. You click on it on our website, fill out the information, and you can let us know your unwanted calls. What this does is our robocall enforcement unit was created about 1.5 years ago, and we want to make Ohio the hardest state for robocalls to get through. So we are trying to gather a database of those calls. So that is helpful for that unit. If for some reason you have an elder abuse victim, we have a service where our elder justice unit will help protect that older adult. They will work and access different criminal justice services. Part of our office is also the Bureau of Criminal Investigation, where they can work with them to try to help elder abuse victims. You can also request a presentation. I am a consumer educator, and we do virtual and in-person presentations all over the state of Ohio. Some of the presentations that we offer are on identity theft, on scams, also on scams that affect senior citizens. We offer a cybersecurity presentation. So we have a variety of presentations just to educate Ohioans on how to protect themselves from identity theft and scams. You can also request to receive publications from our section. That is very easy as well on our website. There is a tab right at the top of the website that says publications. You can click on it and go and find many different publications to also educate you about scams, identity theft, unwanted calls, and so forth. You can also go to ohioprotects.org. This is where you could file a complaint as well. You can learn more about robocalls. There's several small video clips on that website that will give you more information about robocalls. And this is how you can contact us as well. If you want to file a complaint with our office, you can do that either online, by phone, or in hard copy form by mailing the forms and the complaint to our office. We have a call center. They take calls from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And that number is 800-282-0515. And that's what I have for you today. Does anyone have any questions for me?
I have one question that came in advance, and it's the question about Service Member Civil Act. Are you all able to assist with service members that need to utilize the Service Member Civil Relief Act?
I don't believe so,
Okay.
but I do not know. So I can look into that and get back to you, and then you can put that up on the.
Perfect. I will do that. Then the other question that I had is, do you all track the different types of scams or identity theft that is prevalent among military members? Do you all have a special section that kind of looks at that?
We have one of my coworkers looks at all of the complaints regarding scams and does a scam report, I think monthly or at least twice a month. We can sometimes, go ahead and break that down into different categories. But I don't believe anywhere it is marked for military specifically. But we can obviously track that if we needed to, and somebody wanted to request those records.
Well, and I would say that I have in the past received a lot of great information from your office on an educational level that's gone out not just to my government account, email account, but also my private email account that has alerted me to different situations. And as we all know, it doesn't matter what your affiliation is. There are always people that are trying to take advantage of you. And sometimes our military folks are a little bit more vulnerable to that because they move around. So it's so important that we make sure that all of our members in our community know how to access your office and make sure that they can have the best information possible. So I so very much appreciate your joining us today, and thank you for a great presentation.